Hello, family and friends. Every storm comes to an end, and it's time for reflection now. As you refocus on what serves your highest good, you'll feel yourself shift into your higher self. They say you must claim your independence. There's good luck coming your way, and a meeting with a stranger could be important. Trust your intuition. They say there is a veil of mystery that's surrounding you at this time. You don't need someone else to fix you. Our number 777 is here again, and it says, "We blossom and bloom as we use our gifts. All things simply align as we feel the feeling of the divine working through us. There is victory in some endeavor, and we must carry on believing in ourselves. Keep our lives in balance. It's the end of worries, troubles, and sleepless nights. You are going to get a mysterious message very soon. Um, it's time for self-reliance. Time has come to rely on your knowledge, your wisdom, and your ambition. As you take leadership of your life, life brings a flow of good fortune and good blessings. Paint the sun back into your life. We have all had periods of frustration. We had lessons to learn, and we've had dealings with a man with blonde, grey, or white hair, which obviously caused the frustrations. But we must start singing our own song. They say that Spirit says, yes, there is new beginnings coming in this relationship, and a wish that you've made a while back is going to come true very soon. Your loved ones want you to be positive and patient, and they say you spiritually connected to everyone and everything through God. Use your sacred bond to heal your family, friends, and yourself. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.